Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create an animation like a Swiggy. If you have seen, let me show you how it works. This is how the animation works. So if one of the bottle comes, then the icon comes down and then goes to up. So now let's start creating this animation. Now Figma file. So I have already taken the images of this bottles, juice bottles. I'll copy this. Here most important thing is you have to take the first and the last picture same. You will get to know after we will proceed ahead. Now select all the bottles and then give a horizontal spacing and then select Control G, make it into the group. After grouping, take them into the frame selection. After taking them into the frame, we have to select Control key on the keyboard and clip this frame. Here is the option you can see here. Just click here and clip it. And in the frame you can also give some fill color. Adding a fill color is not important, we'll remove afterwards, but for now we are giving it so that we can move the contents easily. Let me show you why am I telling you. After this, go to the layer panel here and select the group and move to the next object. See, this was the reason why I told you to give a fill color to the frame. Now copy this again and select the frame and select only the group and again move the bottle into the frame. Now again copy this last one and select the group from the frame and then move the bottles towards the right this time and select the first object, which one is same as the third frame. Now just select all this frame and make a component set. After creating a component set, what we have to do is just remove the color from the frame. Done. Now go to the prototype here and something went wrong. Okay, select the first frame and connect it to the second and select after delay of 800 millisecond and give an animation of smart animate and here select a bouncy curve. Similarly we have to do it for the other parts also. Same, after delay, smart animate, bouncing, whatever animations we took previously, the same thing gets applied to the further. Here it's little different. After selecting after delay, give a duration of 1 and then make a instant move and done. And select the last one and connect it to the first frame. After connecting it to the first frame, then select after delay of 800 millisecond and then smart animate bouncy 800 millisecond. Here now it's done. First we'll check whether this animation is working properly or not. Select a frame of Android large and then select the first instant of this, and we'll make one rectangle here and give a corner radius here 20 20. No, let's give a 100. Okay, now give some fill color to this. Yes, 10. Now take this frame inside this. Keep this now. Okay, now let's run this and see whether it is working properly or not. Don't know why it is not working. Again, we'll see. You can see the animation is working properly, and now we'll do it for the icon part also. Similarly, select the icon, copy this here. Okay, now here most important part is for the frame. Just click Control on the keyboard and give some space, as we have to move this icon down. First we'll copy this here, and for this middle one select only the icon part, and first for this frame add a stroke, and for this go to take this icon down. Okay, now we'll remove this stroke from here. Select all this and take them into the component set. After taking into the component set, we'll add the prototype here. Select connect it to the second one, and after delay of here we'll give after delay of 500, and smart animate here it will be okay, bouncy will select, and here it would be duration would be of 300. Here you can see the total duration is of 800. Previously what we have in the previous part what we have taken was like here only this part here 800 was individually given for the after delay, so that when the icon comes down in this duration icon comes down, and for the other 800 part for the bouncy section the icon goes down. I hope you understood what I'm telling. Now select this second frame and connect it to the third one, and after delay of okay, after here we'll give a instant, and here we'll select 1 millisecond instant. Okay, now for this we'll connect it to the first one. After delay of 500, here we'll change to smart animate bouncy, and then 300. Now take this icon instance and keep it here. Now let's see whether animation is working properly or not. Here you can see animation is working very fine. If you have any doubt, just ask me in the comment section. Thank you.